Analytics and reporting, tracking key metrics, analyzing performance, and identifying areas for improvement. Dive into the data. ThriveCart's analytics and reporting powerhouse. ThriveCart isn't just about selling digital products, it's about giving you the insights you need to thrive. Its comprehensive analytics and reporting tools go beyond basic numbers, digging deep into your sales funnel to reveal actionable insights for boosting your business. Here's what you can track and analyze with ThriveCart. Sales performance. Monitor key metrics like revenue, profit margin, average order value, and conversion rates across different products, funnels, and marketing campaigns. Identify your top performers and pinpoint areas for improvement. Customer acquisition. Analyze traffic sources, understand customer acquisition costs, and track the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. See what brings customers in and optimize your outreach to maximize ROI. Customer behavior. Dive into individual and segment-based customer behavior. Track page views, cart abandonment rates, and engagement with different products and content. Uncover hidden patterns and personalize your approach for increased engagement. Funnel optimization. Test different landing pages, checkout forms, and upsell offers to see what resonates with your audience. ThriveCart's A/B testing features help you identify winning combinations and optimize your sales funnel for maximum conversions. Campaign effectiveness. Track the performance of individual marketing campaigns, from email blasts to social media promotions. See what gets results and allocate your resources to the most effective channels. Real-time insights. Get a live pulse of your business with dashboards that update in real time. Monitor key metrics throughout the day and make informed decisions on the fly. ThriveCart's reporting goes beyond just numbers. You can easily generate detailed reports to share with team members or stakeholders. Visualize data through charts and graphs, making complex information clear and actionable. Remember, data is your friend. By leveraging ThriveCart's analytics and reporting tools, you can gain valuable insights into your business performance, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions that propel your digital product sales to new heights. Here are some additional benefits of using ThriveCart's analytics and reporting. Customizable reports. Tailor reports to focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. Drill down functionality. Dive deeper into specific data points to uncover hidden trends and patterns. Exporting data. Export reports to external tools for further analysis or integration with your existing reporting systems. Get ready to turn data into valuable insights and watch your digital product sales soar. I hope this elaboration helps you understand the power of ThriveCart's analytics and reporting features. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions.